Hi everyone, my name is Nick Hall. I am a Fast Track Technology Advisor with Schein Dental, and I'm here today to introduce to you a brand new product to the market called the Carina Sensor. This is an intraoral sensor carried exclusively by Schein Dental, and today we're going to unbox it, show you what's inside the box, tell you a few things about the sensor, show you how easy it is to use inside your practice software, and finally show you some images that have been taken with the sensor. So upon opening, we have the Carina Sensor itself, and we'll remove that from the package so we can see it a little bit clearer. The very next thing inside is our quick start guide. We'll give you the directions to download the Twain driver that you'll need to use inside of your software. And finally, we have an accessories box with a positioning kit, as well as a pack of the intraoral sensor barriers. So the Carina Sensor, again, exclusive to Schein, is a uniquely designed sensor in that you can notice we have clipped corners on all four edges of the sensor, right? And this is great for patient comfort. So if we think about when we have the sensor inside the patient's mouth, these rounded edges help to make this a very comfortable product inside your patient's mouth. The other thing I would like to point out is direct USB to your computer. So unlike some other sensors on the market, there are no remote boxes that you have to plug into. We're going straight to the sensor, to the computer, and acquiring x-rays like that. The Carina Sensor only comes in one size. This is a size about 1.5, so in between your typical 1 and your 2. However, due to the edge-to-edge coverage of the sensor itself, we're actually taking the image size of your normal size 2 sensor. The benefit there is, instead of having different size sensors and swapping them out everywhere you go, you can simply walk to the wall where you have your sensors hanging and take the first sensor available you see there, take it to your operatory, and take the images on your patient. So your one size fits all can help bring down your total cost when it comes to imaging inside the practice. The other thing I would like to point out is the angle at which the cable actually comes off of the sensor. So it comes off at a 45-degree angle, which is important because as we put it in the patient's mouth, we have a perfect angle to not have to twist and adjust our cable to make that connection point go back. So your sensors will last a very long time. So that's what's inside the box, and those are the actual physical attributes of the sensor itself. This sensor does come standard with a 2-year manufacturer warranty. Most other sensors on the market do come with a 1-year warranty, so this sets itself apart. Now this sensor will integrate into nearly any dental imaging software that will allow it to, via that Twain driver. We do have a direct integration with Ascend Imaging, as well as Dentrix imaging products. All right, so now that we've seen the sensor and some of the accessories, let's talk about how we actually use the sensor. Quite simply, if you go to henryscheinequipmentcatalog.com/Carina, this will bring you to our landing page for the Carina Sensor itself. So as I mentioned earlier, there's a spot here where you can click to request a quote. If you fill out your information, a representative in your area will reach out to you. If we scroll down just a little bit, right here we have a link to download the Twain software that you'll need to install to your computers for the sensor to work. And the office and staff can feel free to download and install that themselves. The last thing I want to show you are some images that were taken with the Carina Sensor. Took an FMX on me, and these are the results. But what I will do is blow up some of these images so that you can see the clarity on the images themselves. I want to thank you for your time today and taking a couple minutes to learn about the Carina Sensor. Again, for more information, you can go to henryscheinequipmentcatalog.com/Carina for more information on this sensor. And as always, please click the like and subscribe button below to have content like this delivered to your inbox.